pounding, blood bursting through his veins. He felt as though he was about to vomit as he walked at the pace of a crawl towards his dreaded destination. If that were the worst of it, he would be glad. But no, he also felt dizzy and wondered whether or not he was going to faint. Have you guessed where this poor college student was headed? That's right, to the dreaded testing center. The experience that I have described here is not uncommon for many students. Even some juniors and seniors will struggle with their nerves before a test. My test-taking abilities at the beginning of high school were pretty terrible, but in time I learned several strategies that dramatically improved my test-taking abilities. Then I chose to pursue a psychology major in college, which gave me greater insight and skill in the art of test-taking. I will now impart that knowledge to you. This is important to everybody, not just college students, for a number of reasons. The strategies and methods that we will discuss today will assist in teaching everybody how to deal with stress and time management. This has been proven to benefit physical health as well. An interesting statistic is that individuals who slept fewer than 5 hours a night were 4.5 times more likely to get sick than those who slept 7 hours or more. The main benefit of learning how to study and take exams include better physical health, mental health, and time management. As we have seen, studying these study strategies and methods are important to retain better physical health, mental health, and time management in times of stress. Regardless of our age, occupation, or social status, we all want to be as happy, healthy, and productive as possible. Do we have the time to ignore or forget these amazing tools? Of course not. We cannot allow complacency or laziness to distract us from bettering our quality of life.